Oops. Nope.
You missed.
I think I know. Well, we hit this one like 5 minutes ago. We hit this one like 6 minutes ago.
Dude, you're like talking so weird. You're like, bleh.
Well,
Better be talking like this.
all right.
You got it? Hoorah!
Yes, sir, Captain. Captain Copeland.
Man, that orange still does.
This Halloween set.
Yeah.
Man, Sergeant's dogs are like on us.
Yeah.
What shall we do?
Go kill some Nazis.
All right.
Let's see it. This time you'll actually hit one.
Wait, did you see that Sergeant's wife? She is such a diva.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Let's go play some pool.
All right.